Sein Kim, right. Ah. So, I just arrived the Windstorm, but so if you're ever out walking, by yourself or with your friends, and if you're thinking if you want to get prepared, here's some tips. So if you're just walking, so the most handy thing is eye protection. Sunglasses will stay on your eyes. So, thick coat, or rain jacket or whatever you have, coats. Any kind of coat will work. So, cap, mine blew off today, so so you want like a hoodie or thick or and a t-shirt underneath, or thick clothing. So if you're one of those people who just wear a shirt and literally nothing underneath, you'd probably want to go with a shirt and then a hoodie over that. Vest if possible. Shoes. Let's see. These running shoes or any other kind of thing. Say if you're hiking, those will work too. If you're just outside, just wear appropriate footwear, because so if you're walking around uh, what you want to do is you don't want to make sure you're blown away, because if it's light breeze, you can just walk fine. But if it's a strong breeze, it's enough to say you're trying to you're standing and literally just trying to blow your try to keep your feet on the ground. That's important. If you have to, trying to turn your body or something in the opposite direction, so or you can walk backwards, but do watch where you're going. So when the wind's blowing very strongly, don't just do it like this. Zip up your coat up to your where your face is. If you don't have sunglasses with you, that's fine. But today I did find it helpful to have sunglasses with you. So, but it's not that's your choice. So I really recommend if you can't really do that, if you can't stop going to where your destination is, try to take a stop under make a spot where the wind doesn't really affect you much. So those usually work, but if there's no place available, keep going and keep trying to find a good spot, like, you know, that you can hide out on. Oh, yeah. Most of the time, guys, yeah. Yeah. Trying to be safe, you know, like, try not to get blown away. Keep your feet on the ground. But some key hints is, like, you know, stay, you know, check the weather before you let go, and so, like, you know, you don't, like, make sure you know, go out on like a, say it's a cloudy day, but and then the weather suddenly turns, you know, windy or starts to rain. Yeah. So careful, guys. So I'm glad I survived like a windstorm out there, because oh, they're like terrible. If it was a tornado, it would have been worse, but there's no tornadoes here. No. Thank you, guys. So be careful when you're outside, you know. If you're with multiple people, like, I mean, they can help you, and you can help them, you know. Not like a, you know, like Survivor lives, you know, such. So anyway, if you are like going outside, you know, for such, you know, say like when it's walking a dog, or like, you know, just enjoying like a trek, you know, with your friends, you know. Stay safe. Like, don't go to like places that you don't like really know much, and then, you know, like say like someone's like slips down like a, you know, steep cliff, and yeah. Or, you know, or the wind like suddenly kicks up, and then, or it starts raining. So know before you go. Sein Kim signing out.